This is also a close-ended Parajumble. The opening statement says the problem of improving Indian agriculture is both a sociological and an administrative one. And the closing statement says, when it starts marching, India will fly. Let us look at the possible openers, B, C or A. B says, at the end of the day there has to be a ferment and movement of life and action in the vast segment of rural India. This is an unlikely continuation from the opening statement 1, which talks about Indian agriculture. So the option is between B, A as an opener and C as an opener. Let us look at C first. Without improving Indian agriculture, no liberalization and delicensing will be able to help India, which might be a possible opener. However, the closing sentence, which is A, says it also appears that there is a direct relationship between the size of the state and development, and the closing statement refers to an it which is not defined in sentence A. So the opener could only be A, which says it also appears that there is a direct relationship between the size of state and development. The choices are narrowed down to C or D. Now C ends with B, so we have to find what the antecedent of it in B. The issues of Indian development and the problem of Indian agricultural sector will remain with us into the next century. This talks about the future of Indian development and the issues that are involved thereof. And however, when we say when it starts marching, so we cannot really, it cannot refer to the issues of Indian development. So the answer must be option D, which says at the end of the day there has to be a ferment and movement of life and action in the vast segment of rural India. Now it actually refers to rural India. Hence the correct option is A, B, C, D, and D is the correct answer.